Tongxing Air Conditioning Technology Company Limited. We are a one-stop air conditioning service enterprise that integrates central air conditioning machine sales and installation, accessory sales, central air conditioning repair, maintenance, and cleaning. We have designed for office buildings, shopping malls, hotels, KTV, railway stations, hospitals, and factory buildings, and so on, to provide comprehensive solutions of central air conditioning. Our company is committed to spreading advanced international central air conditioning system service concept to domestic and abroad, and tirelessly pursues it, and strives to build a good service brand of central air conditioning system. Our company has engineering department, design department, administration department, finance department, foreign trade department, and domestic business department. Everyone performs their own duties and has done their work in an orderly manner, which has comprehensively improved the company's business capabilities. The engineering department is responsible for installation, commissioning, maintenance, and after-sales technical support and other construction tasks, and strictly implements the requirements of the GB/T Quality Management System, ISO 9001:2015. Complete each task assigned with high quality and high efficiency, with the aim of continuously improving customer satisfaction.
Welcome to Tongxing. Our company was established in 2004. Our main products are VRF system, multi-split air conditioning, light commercial air conditioning, and water chiller. We have professional designer team, sales team, installation team, and after sales for different projects, such as office building, hotel, shopping mall, and government project tents. We sincerely want to cooperate with you with our high-quality products and competitive price.